Hello everyone, I am Vijay Mohan Shrimal, Department of Computer Science, Jagannath University, Jaipur. Today we are discussing the unit number 10, Development of MIS for an Organization. In this unit, I have covered this topic, System Development Life Cycle. So the system development life cycle should result in a high quality system that meets customer expectations, reaches completion within time and post evaluations, and works effectively and efficiently in the current and planned information technology infrastructure. System development life cycle is a conceptual model which includes policies and procedures for developing or altering system throughout their life cycles. SDLC used by analytics to develop an information system. SDLC includes the following activities. This is the diagram which represents about the system development lifecycle model. So through the 9 steps, the model is used and the system development model can be created or generated. So the first step is analysis. In this analysis phase, the requirement analysis and the feasibility study uh, should be done. And in the planning phase, the all the requirements are gathered and planned how to develop the system. In the third phase design, there are some different flowcharts and the algorithms are required to design the system. Development, there is a coding and implementation phase will be done in the development phase. Testing after development of the model will be tested. After testing the system, it will be deployment in the real time system. When the real time system is developed, uh, there are some maybe issues are created that will be resolved through the maintenance phase. After maintenance, it will be evaluation and the disposal. So the 9 steps are required for the system development lifecycle model. In brief, we can discuss in the further. So the first is defining requirements. The requirements analysis stage generally completes by creation of a feasibility report. This report contains a preamble, a goal statement, a brief description of the present system, proposed alternatives in details. The feasibility report and the proposed alternatives helps in preparing the cost and benefits study. Based on the cost and the benefits and considering all problems that may be encountered due to the human, organizational, or technological bottlenecks. The best alternative is chosen by the end users of the system. Designing system architecture. System design specifies how the system will be accomplish this objective. System design consists of both logical design and the physical design activity, which process produces system specification satisfying system requirements development in the system analysis stage. In this stage, the following documents are prepared: detailed specification, hardware and software plan. So, in the designing phase, there is a system development life cycle contains the SRS model where the system requirement specification should be done. In the detailed form, hardware and software are required and specified in this model. Building or developing the system. The most creative and challenging phase of the system development life cycle is system design, which refers to the technical specification that will be applied in implementing the candidate system. It also includes the construction of programmers, and program testing. It has the following stage: acquiring hardware and software if necessary, database design, developing system processes, coding and testing each module. The final report prior to implementation phase includes procedural flowcharts, records, layout, report layout, and the plan for implementing the candidate system. Information on personal money, hardware, facility, and their estimated cost must be available. At this point, projected cost must be too close to actual cost of implementation. Testing the system. System testing requires a test plan that consists of several key activities and steps for programs, strings, system, and acceptance testing. The system performance criteria deals with turnaround time, backup, file protection, and the human factors. Testing process focuses on both the internal logic of the system software, ensuring that all statements have been tested, the external functions by conducting tests to find errors and ensuring that the defined input will be actually produce the required results. In some cases, a parallel run of the new system is performed, where both the current and the proposed system are run in parallel for a specified time period, and the current system is used to validate the proposed system. Deployment of the system. At this stage, system is put into production to be used by the end users. Sometimes we put system into a beta stage where users feedback is received, and based on the feedback, the system is corrected or improved before a final release or official release of the system. So in the deployment of the system, in this phase, the designed software is implemented on the real time phase, where the end users can use the system and the feedback will be received if there is a feedback method. System evaluation and maintenance. Maintenance is necessary to eliminate the errors in the working system during its working life, and to run and to tune the system to any variation in its working environment. Often small system deficiencies are found as system is brought into operation and changes are made to remove them. System planner must always plan for resources availability to carry on these maintenance functions. Now, thank you so much. Thank you very much.